Welcome back to another video. My name's Lofton Smith / Creek Life with Lofton. And let's go check our minnow traps with the bait. We'll go fishing with the bait that we caught. If you saw the last video, we stocked it with some dolphin, so there sure to be some stuff. Not here on anything so far. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's anything. We'll go to the next trap. Oh, there's a minnow. Let's see this. Oh, two. Let's see those. Big minnow. And a small, pretty small minnow. Let's see what we got. Hopefully lots. Not seeing anything. I see a crawfish. Let's look like that's it. Right there. Let's go set this trap in a different spot. So we're on second. Hopefully we get a lot in this spot. And we'll go check the third spot. And that's the jackpot spot. Hopefully we get a lot there. And that's it. Third trap, let's see what we got in this minnow trap. The jackpot spot. So hopefully we have a lot. We'll fish with the bait. A couple minnows. That's it. Got 3 crawfish and a minnow. That looks like, oh, 2 minnows and 3 crawfish. That's it. Just got this bluegill. It's pregnant on a little minnow. Let's go release it. Give it a kiss for good luck. Next time. Wasn't that big a fight? Felt like I didn't even have one. Let's go fishing with another minnow. Fine.
You're on.
Are you taking a video?
Yep.
Yeah, Dad, he'll eat it, man.
I don't know how.
Just caught this nice bass. Took a kind of big fight. Caught on a minnow. Let's go release it. Say goodbye, give a kiss. See it next time. Bye. Nice bass right here. It's pregnant too. Caught on a minnow. Actually a crawfish. Pretty nice bass. Gonna release it. We'll give it a kiss for good luck. We just caught a nice bass. Look at this fight. Jeez, that's a long fight.
You good, Tuck?
Jeez! Guys, look at this bass I just caught. Wow! Guys, look how big this is. It's pregnant too. Guys, we're gonna release this bass. It's a pretty nice one. It's a pretty hard fight. Caught on a crawfish. Alright, we just got a nice bluegill. It's kind of little, but take it off, release it, catch and release.
Yeah.
Now bluegill pregnant. Just dropped it. Release.
Oh, I'm hooked.
So release it. Just got a nice bluegill. Kind of little, but take it off and release it. Let's go release it. It's pregnant. Oh, that's it. It just caught a bluegill. It's kind of little, but take it off and release it.
Nobody likes thinking about Monday over the weekend, right? Well, unfortunately, that's Kylie and I.
Kind of little, right? Pregnant.
Because that means we're thinking about Monday.
Just a little
for the
bit.
Cash Cows $1,000
Pretty small.
moolah giveaway. Live your first
Throw it
chance
in.
of the week to win that $1,000 at
watching this video, like and subscribe for more videos. Comment anything new you want me to do. And if I hit 40 subscribers in about 2 months, I will jump in my pond when it is freezing. And I will make sure it is freezing. And it's almost summer, so it might be warm. So I might need to hit 40 subscribers really soon. And peace.